Okay, so the three questions I decided to pick to discuss are why is lifting of air important, and discuss two processes of lifting. So, lifting of air is important for the formation of clouds and rain in combination with moisture and instability. So, the two processes I decided to pick were or orographic lift, and this is where air is forced to rise over a mountain. And then I chose frontal lifting. Frontal lifting is where masses of warm air and cold air collide, which is known as a front. Cold air acts as a barrier and it forces the warm air to rise. The next question I picked was define air mass and describe how they are classified in relation to air masses described by Oklahoma has tornadoes. So air mass is a body of air which horizontally uniform temperature, humidity, and pressure. Air masses are classified according to the temperature and moisture characteristics of their region. So like tropical, polar, Arctic. So everyone wonders why Oklahoma has all these tornadoes. But Oklahoma is a region in which cold air clashes with warm air, which that causes tornadoes. So our state is just prone to getting more tornadoes. The third question was I wrote down all the different fronts. So we have the cold front, which is where cold air moves under warm air, which is less dense, and it pushes the warm air up, and the cold front is formed. So that's why, because the warm air is going up. The next one is a warm front, which a warm front is when hot air pushes against cold air, and a warm front is formed. Not the last one, occluded front, this one right here. This is where when a warm front is overtaken by a cold front, an occluded front is formed. So severe snowstorms happen during this. The next one, the last one, is stationary front. At a stationary front, air masses on either side of the boundary are not moving or are barely moving. So this is where conditions don't really change because it's more of like they're just stuck. So, yeah, thank you so much for listening.